This time in Titley's lost kitchen, grating, whizzing, fire! Grate one large onion and pop it in a food processor. Now add 2 chopped cloves of garlic, 450 grams of minced lamb, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of hot paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, some pepper and a big pinch of cinnamon. Now whiz to the consistency of a dough. It's getting there. Eventually you'll end up with something you'd expect to see on a Liverpool street on a Sunday morning near a kebab van. Now take a golf ball sized piece of the dough and wrap it around a skewer, making it into a slight torpedo shape. You should be able to get 3 koftas to a skewer. Now you can either grill them or whack them on a barbie. Don't forget to turn them over occasionally. They'll take about 10 minutes to cook. Serve with a salad for a delicious meal. Yes, Paniel, you can have some too. That footage was filmed in 2015. It was quite nice seeing our dog Paniel bark on that. Sadly, we lost him in 2016 to kidney disease. At the moment, we have 2 dogs, Athos and Layla. They're both Brittany's, and here they are. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can you possibly tell those 2 dogs apart? Well, if you look really carefully, you can see that Athos has the slightly darker nose. Join me next time in Titley's Lost Kitchen with me, Titley Hahn. Until then, Huda Hafiz.